Thieving from Curacao Medical Center reported. Curacao's Robin Hood? Reading time, 4 minutes. By JJosepha News. Twitter /@JJosepha News. Willemstad, Curacao. It was reported that Gilbert Martina, director of Curacao Hospital Novo Otrobanda, HNO, which is also called Curacao Medical Center, CMC, Transition and Exploration Committee, confirmed to local newspapers that the newly opened hospital has already become a victim of theft. Reports indicated that Mr. Gilbert Martina confirmed that a week after CMC's opening, that they were already dealing with the theft of hospital assets. Apparently, between 30 to 40 shower heads and a microwave among other things were stolen. It is not known who the perpetrator or perpetrators were, because there were no security cameras in those areas where the thievery occurred. Hospital, CMC, security measures increased. JJosepha News has noticed that after the reported alleged theft, CMC has strengthened its security at both the entrance and exit, in addition to more cameras apparently being installed. Sources close to CMC indicated that the showerheads and microwave are all being replaced, so that patients can use them again. CMC considering additional security measures to protect hospital assets. According to healthcare administrative sources, CMC is seriously considering 1. Checking the bags of the cleaning staff and as well as guests and visitors, as they enter and or leave their hospital property, at the entrance and exit of the CMC hospital. 2. Cars are also checked extra at the exit of the parking lot, where for example, the security guards in question may request drivers to open their car trunk to check whether the visitors has possibly stolen hospital assets in their possession. After more than 620 million guilders that the Curacao population has to pay back in taxes for constructing Hospital Novo CMC, Curacao'S are further humiliated by Mr. Martina's apparently snobbish disregarding attitude. According to Gilbert Martina, many visitors disagree and complained, but the measures are still being implemented. The General Managing Director of HNO Transition and Exploration Public Incorporated Company, NV, Mr. Gilbert Martina, indicated that he found it unacceptable and regrets that so many items had already been stolen from a hospital that had just opened its doors a week ago. Mr. Gilbert Martina also regularly confirmed thievery in St. Elizabeth Hospital, CHO's. According to sources, Mr. Gilbert Martina appears to be of the opinion that this type of behavior indicates what kind of community we live in. There is a lack of level of consciousness and norms and values. Mr. Martina said, this type of behavior is an indication of poor education and impoverished school and government systems, among other things. Martina further indicated that the norms and values must be restored. CMC Hospital Visitors Guidelines. Gilbert Martina's 10 Commandments of Healthcare Administration for CMC Visitation. By the approval of the Minister of Health, Susie Camilla Romand under Mr. Gilbert Martina managing directorship of the Hospital Novo Otrobanda, CMC now has a set of guidelines for all visitors. 1. A maximum of 2 visitors can visit a patient at the same time, so as not to be a burden to the other patients in the room. 2. Smoking is not permitted anywhere. 3. Visitors must dress neatly and respectfully. 4. Children are not allowed to play in the corridors, lifts or on stairs and in stairways. 5. Unsolicited photography, video recording or filming is not permitted. 6. Pets are not allowed. 7. Taking foods and drinks without consultation is not permitted. 8. CMC shall not be held liable for any damages, loss or theft in any form. 9. Peace and tranquility must be respected, since silence is necessary for the patient's healing process. 10. Sick persons are urged not to come to visit. Copyright 2019 JJosepha News. All rights reserved.